Feeling blessed to the max, I ain't even made it. And told God to cover me with nothing but his favor. I like it with the buckets.
Bolts are not tight on the airbox. Also found the hose clamp is not tight on the airbox.
Do a show down in Jackson, Tennessee, and come to Nashville and shut the city down. I kinda wanna lift it up and put some big boys on it, making sure I put the Chevy off the ground. I kinda wanna hit the hatchet now. We down in the bottom with the can now. I'm screaming pretty loud. I kinda wanna cool nights, summer vibes, chilling at the house, grilling while I'm with the guys, or at the rodeo in Texas. God, I'm going live. Foreign country, eating foods I ain't never tried. Don't let nobody make you think you can't enjoy this time, and make the best of what you're giving, cause it's still divine. Now crank it up and hit the gas, make it